Hello everybody, Outdoors and Botanical here, and I'm really excited because I got another Carnivorous plant unboxing. Now, he sends the guy I get these from, he sends them in an envelope, that way it's a little bit cheaper on shipping. So, yeah, I guess, let's get started. So, I know in here I have 3 Venus flytraps. You'll figure out what kind they are when I open it. And he said he sent a Drosera capensis. He thinks it's a broadleaf, and a Drosera bermanii. He said they're very small, but that's okay because everything grows. So I'm gonna be careful that I don't kill anything. Oops, just knocked over my pots. There's 5 plants in here, so I ran out of little pots, so the biggest plant's going to go in here. And the 2 Drosera, since they're really tiny, they're going to go in here. So yeah. Guess while I'm doing this, I got to get my Drosera mix hydrated, which is a bit of small fine gravel, this kind of gravel, and peat moss. No. So I'm just gonna get some water in there. Alright. That should be alright. Let's continue. This might be a long video. I got a lot to plant. I'm pretty excited. Been waiting for a week for this. Hopefully everything's alright. Alright. Okay. I guess he sent some Venus flytraps and other stuff in the same package. They're all very tiny plants, but that's okay. Because, yeah, that's alright. Alright, there's one of the Venus flytraps and Drosera. They're pretty tiny. Alright. I don't know which one's which. So this one looks like Drosera capensis and one of the Venus flytraps. And this looks like bermanii. It's hard to tell. This one is a little bit bigger. But yeah. Alright. Nice little Venus flytrap there. Oh, there's 2 of them. Alright. Just carefully gonna... Okay, maybe the other ones are a bit bigger. Maybe that's why there's 2 in here. Maybe these are the same kind. Oh, I'm putting those on the wrong lid. My bad. Alright. Let's get the next one here. Okay, yeah, this one's a little bigger. Okay, yeah, I know what kind these are now. Alright, so this one's I think I know what kind these are. So this one's a Triton. Or, sorry, not Triton. This one's Wacky Traps. It's hard to see if it will focus. You can see the traps on there. I'll try to put a picture of each. So, alright, I'll have to make clips. So here's the Wacky Traps. I'll put a picture now. Okay, and here is Venus flytrap coquillage or coquillage, something like that. And don't know if it'll focus. But yeah, there's also one that's called Harmony, and they look very similar. The only difference is that coquillage or coquillage, it lays flat to the ground, and Harmony kind of goes up, but they have short teeth, almost no teeth when they get mature traps. So I'll put a picture of that now. And these two, I'm not sure why the one has really long traps. I think they're both the same, but this is called Triton. It's kind of like cup trap. It has, don't know if you'll be able to see it. You might be able to see the traps are cupped. And I looked at this one, and some of the traps look cupped too, but I'm not sure. So I'll put a picture of that now. This is the Drosera capensis, I'm pretty sure. He said it looks like a broadleaf, so it has shorter leaves and they're a little bit wider. So I'll put a picture of broadleaf capensis here. Last but not least, here's Drosera bermanii. Nice little small plant. I was wanting some of these on eBay along with capensis. So yeah, I was actually looking at the broadleaf one the morning he told me he sent it. Yeah, I didn't even ask him, so yeah. I'll put a picture of the bermanii now. So here they all are. I'll make some little labels out of my piece of plastic like I usually do. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Share this channel with as many people as you can. I'll be doing a giveaway in the next couple days because I've hit 100 subscribers. And if you get me to 200, I'll do a video at 200 too. Every 100 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. Sorry, not a video, a giveaway. Alright, so, yeah, as always, stay outdoors, stay botanical, keep your hobbies, and I'll see you in the next video.